If you're planning to go fishing in California, you'll need a sport fishing license if you're 16 or older. The rule covers not just fish, but also shellfish, reptiles, and even amphibians. The idea behind the license is simple. It helps the state manage wildlife and keep fishing sustainable for the future. There are a couple of situations where you don't need one. If you're fishing off a public pier in ocean waters, you're covered. California also offers 2 free fishing days each year, where anyone can fish without a license. Those dates are posted on the California Department of Fish and Wildlife website. When it comes to buying a license, the type you choose depends on how often you plan to fish. If you go regularly, an annual license makes the most sense. There are separate options for residents and non-residents. If you're only visiting or want to try it out, you can get a short-term license. These include a 1-day, 2-day, or for visitors, even a 10-day pass. There's also a lifetime license available, which is a bigger investment up front but saves you from ever having to renew. Now, who counts as a California resident? Anyone who's lived in the state for 6 months or more, members of the military stationed here, and people enrolled in the Job Corps. The state also offers reduced fees for disabled veterans, low-income seniors, and recovering service members. And in some cases, licenses are free for low-income Native Americans or individuals with certain disabilities. Buying a license is pretty simple. You can do it online through the Department of Fish and Wildlife website, at licensed retailers across the state, or at one of the official sales offices. If you ever lose your license, you can request a duplicate the same way. One last thing to remember, license fees are non-refundable. The money goes back into conservation programs, habitat restoration, and making sure fishing opportunities are available for everyone.